नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक है? ओके, हाउ आर यू ऑल लर्निंग द सॉन्ग्स? Nice? Okay, today also we will sing one song. We'll sing one old song. It's been a long time. We'll sing Lakdi Ki Kaati. Okay, do you want to sing it in the end or do you want to sing it right now itself? Shall we sing right now itself? Chalo, we'll all get a little freshen up a little bit. Okay, Lakdi Ki Kaati. All of you know? Maybe you can stand up. Yes, get ready with your horse. Shall we start? 1, 2, 3, go. लकड़ी की काटी खाटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा, दौड़ा घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में तनाई, घोड़े जी की नाई ने हाँ चमक जो बनाई, टकबक 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 टकबक। घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक पे तनाई, घोड़े जी की नाई ने हाँ चमक जो बनाई। देन लकड़ी की काटी खाटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा, घोड़ा तागा मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी, बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी, ठकबक टकबक टकबक टकबक। घोड़ा तागा मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी, बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी, बाल चुड़ा के दौड़ा घोड़ा दुम उड़ा के दौड़ा, लकड़ी की काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा। Good. All of you remember the song? Good job. Okay, now we'll go back to our lessons. Okay, so what was the new Vyanjan which I taught you on Mangalwar? What was that? मंगलवार को क्या सीखा आपने? द से दादी माँ, द से दांत. Shall we see all the words that we learned? Come, let's take a look. The. See how it goes? The. द से दही, कर्ड. द से दादी माँ और दादाजी, एनीथिंग इज फाइन. द से दिया, लैम्प्स. द से दरवाज़ा, डोर. द से दवा, मेडिसिन्स. It can be even tonic also, syrup also is okay. Dawa, medicine, anything. द से दो, 2. द से 10, 10. द से दांत, teeth. द से दाल. Then द से दूध. Let's revise again. What is this? दही, दादी माँ, दिया, दरवाज़ा, दवा, दो, 10, दांत, दाल, दूध. So did you fix up at least 2 to 3 words or 4 words in the? I'm sure all of you would have chosen dadima. Then dal, because you have dal rice, or dahi rice also. Da se dahi, da se dal, and da se doodh, because you have doodh, right, in the morning and in the night. Doodh. You can also have do or das also. You know almost everything in that, right? darwaza, everything you know in it. So yeah, you're very sure about what to say for the. Good. Now we will revise akaron ke naam. Akar means what? Shapes. Okay. There are so many more shapes, children. There is star shape, rhombus, parallelogram. But we don't have to know all that names now. Just a few. Okay. The main basic shapes and certain names which rhyme with the other one. Like I told you, trikon. What all rhymes with it? Chaukon, panchkon, shatkon, ashtkon. Is it not? Okay. Let us now revise all that we learned last 2 weeks. You remember the names? Did you find out what are all the things in those shape names? Did you get? You can at least give a name for it, right? Okay, good. So let's check the names. I'm going to point out, you tell me what it is. What is this? Can you tell me? ये क्या है? Circle. Circle like a clock, like a bangle, like thali. Okay. So you have ghadi, kangan or th se thali. All this will be circle shape. But what is circle in Hindi? Circle को क्या बोलते हैं? Goal. Goal, goal. In fact, when you go for having this pani puri, no, there is another name for it. It's called Gol Gappe. Gol Gappe. Why is it called Gol Gappe? Because the moment you put that pani puri, you put it into your mouth, you know what happens to your mouth? Your gup, it will become goal ban jati. Even your face will become goal. So it's called Gol Gappe. Okay? So, goal. Will you all remember? Have you all tried Gol Gappe? No? Must try it. It will not fit in your mouth. It's too big for your mouth. Mummy has to make it at home. Small Gol Gappe she'll have to make at home. With the water full, like puri, one small miniature size puri. Full thing must go inside with the mouth. Then you will see your mouth will be like, Gol Gappe. Okay? Goal. Next one. Oval shape or ellipse shape. What do you call? उसमें क्या क्या देखा हमने? We saw doormats, then what all? I told the tennis ka balla, the bat. Then chammach, yes, se chammach. Then what else has a anda? Because it is got the anda's shape, you called it andakriti or andakar. Okay? Because it is egg shaped. Andakar. And anda is egg. Andakriti or andakar. Next one. What is this shape? Rectangle. What all did you see in rectangle? Takiya, pillow. Then darwaza. Da se darwaza. Then khidki. Then flag. What is the flag in Hindi? Jha se jhanda. All this will be in rectangle shape. But what is rectangle in Hindi? Ayat. Ayat. Remember? Ayat. So, goal, andakar, ayat. And the last one that you see here is shanku. Shanku. Sangha pathirukengna, periya sangha pathirukengna, it will go like a cone only. Shanku akar. And what all is there in shanku akar? You have ice cream, kulfi, party caps, carrot, okay, gajar. So in Hindi, we had gajar, topi, okay, kulfi. Funnel also I told you, keep. Okay. Next one. Now we are going to the shapes which has angles. Okay. Angle. What did I tell for angle? Angle is this shape in the corner, right? This area in the corner. This is called angle. If there are 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 means it will have 3 angles. Did you all notice that? 1, 2, 3. Now how many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it will have 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 angles. What about the pentagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should have 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners. Okay. So how many sides are there? That many corners it will have, or that many angles. What about circle? How many sides does circle have? If you notice, if anything has a side means then it will have that many corners I told. Does circle have corners? Irka? Illai. Which means that circle has no side itself. No side to say that it is straight line. No, it doesn't have a side. Chariya? So, circle has no sides because circle has no corners, no angles. So, that is a different chapter, sensorial it is. No, you are not going to that. So, angles is called as cone. What is it called as? Cone. So, what cone is this? Trikone. 3 sides. Next one. Square. What is it? 4 sides. So, 4 corners. So, 4 cone hai to चौकोन. Say चौकोन. Next 5. 5 कोण है तो पंचकोण. पंचकोण. 6 कोण है तो हेक्सागन. 6 corners. 6 कोण है तो what? षटकोण. Okay? षटकोण. That alone is a little different, but you can try and remember. त्रिकोण, चौकोण, पंचकोण, षटकोण. Chariya? So you remember all these names? This is easy for you to remember? Good. Maybe you can do a pattern, some funny patterns like this and all. I am just showing you like this. Just cut through lines and all like this. And you tell me what shape is formed here. Okay? Just like that you tell me what shape is formed here. I can see a trapezium formed. What shape is formed here? I can see a parallelogram is formed. So like that you can cut like that and simply draw lines and see what all shapes you can find when inside that network of lines. Can you all try and see? So see if you can get a pentagon, a chaukon or a panchkon or a shatkon, ashtakon. Okay? Try and find out in it. So this is what we are going to practice in this week, telling the names. Okay children? So that is all for this week. We finished revising our letter the, and we finished revising the akaron ke naam. With this we are coming to the end of akar. Next week we will be learning something new concept. Okay? Akar is over. No more akar. This many akars only I will teach you. Next another one topic I will start. Are you all ready? Okay, next week be ready. I will come and meet you with another one old song itself. Practice all your song. Which song shall we practice? You give me some title, we will practice that. Aloo ka chalu? Okay, you learn and keep Aloo ka chalu, we will sing it together. Okay, okay children. See you all in next week. Dhanyavad.